Hi, it's Kozue. I made these earrings a few years ago using shrink plastic, resin, and gel polish. I'm going to try this look on my own nails today using regular polish. This is one of the largest stampers I own, and I have enough to sell. I'm going to paint a whale shark on this stamper using polish. I'm placing a small amount of polish on a silicone mat, then using a fine brush to paint the whale shark. This part turned out trickier than I expected. I saw someone paint patterns with polish and a fine brush on Instagram. It looked so easy and smooth. The polish dries out so quickly, it's really hard to work with. It's not going smoothly, but I'm not giving up. Oh, it's finally coming together. I was thinking about using baking powder instead, but today I wanted to experiment. It's starting to look like a whale shark, kind of. Whale sharks are gray in real life, but I chose blue to make the pattern pop more on the nails. That wraps up the first stage. Now I'm using one of my favorite stamping plates from Maniology to add some detail. I'm using this stamping polish I picked up at Walmart in Hawaii. Now I'm stamping this dotted pattern to mimic the whale shark's signature spots. Whoops! It transferred onto the square stamper instead. Not exactly what I planned, but it's starting to resemble a whale shark, and I kind of love it. I'm removing the extra dots using washi tape. I used tweezers to remove some. Okay, the whale shark is ready. I applied one coat of OPI Nail Envy as a base. PA Wonder Nail number 19. I'm gonna apply this to the thumbnail. There's a delicate shimmer from multicolored micro glitters, even if it's a bit difficult to catch on video. Now I'm applying Wonder Nail to the pinky as well. I'm using this deep blue polish on the ring and middle fingers, the same shade I used to make the whale shark. I'm applying Wonder Nail to the index finger now. I'm gonna dry them for 7 minutes. Now I'm applying the second coat. I've always associated whale sharks with summer, so I chose this design to reflect that warm tropical vibe. It's still hot here in Japan, but I spotted a dragonfly the other day. Maybe autumn is just around the corner. I'm gonna let them dry for 7 minutes. Alright, time to stamp the whale shark onto the thumb. Next, I'm stamping a dotted pattern onto the ring finger. I think dotted designs look especially cute on short nails. So cute. Now I'm stamping the middle finger using this stamping polish. This stamping polish looks really sheer at first, but once it's on the nail, the color shows up beautifully. I'm applying PS silver magnetic coat to part of the index finger. Hold the magnet close to the polish for about 30 seconds. Let them dry. I'm using a craft knife to gently scrape off this stray dot on the thumb. It feels a little too plain, so I'm adding a nail stamp. This stamping plate is from CanDo, a 100 yen shop here in Japan. I'm sealing the stamped design with Bon Pretty's non-smudge top coat oil. Whoops, it's stringing a little. I'm gonna let them dry for 7 minutes. I'm applying Paradou's gel top coat to all of my nails. It's available at 7-Eleven in Japan. This is the first of 2 top coats. After letting the gel top coat dry completely, I'm applying Séché Vide as a second top coat. If the polish underneath isn't fully dry, Séché Vide can shrink, sometimes a lot. Since this nail has magnetic polish, I hold the magnet near it again. I let everything dry for a few hours before moving on. And here comes the final boss, Séché Vide. I usually buy it online or when I'm in Hawaii, since it's hard to find in Japan. This top coat dries incredibly fast and gives a thick glossy finish. You have to work quickly with Séché Vide, but I'm used to it now. The key is how much you pick up on the brush. Getting the right amount makes all the difference. And that's it. Today's nail look is complete. The large dot design on my middle finger uses a very pale stamping polish, but now it shows up with a silvery glow. It pairs beautifully with the silver on my index finger, subtle but really cohesive. My right hand is much simpler. If you do your own nails, you know the struggle. I'm wrapping up this video with a little reflection. Maybe I should have gone with hand-painted dots, like on my whale shark earrings. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.